Hey y'all, it's me. I don't know why I'm speaking in this accent, but it's me. Oh man, it has been a long day, but hi everyone, Angelica here. How are you? I feel like it's been a while, but that's fine. Anyways, I hope you guys have had a very happy new year. I wanted to show you a Valentine's Day themed look, even though your girl is single as fuck and boys aren't making that any easier, which what else is new? But I just wanted to do a fun Valentine's Day inspired eye look, and I hope that you guys really enjoy it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Yay! So we're gonna go ahead and start with the Too Faced Chocolate Bon Bon palette. I got it as a gift for Christmas / my birthday from my friend, and I was so excited. And this has some wonderful pinks and neutrals in it, and it smells delicious. If I wasn't smart, I would probably try to eat it, but your girl's a little bit more intellectual than that. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Cashew Chew, which is this, it's kind of like a peachy pink color. And I'm just gonna go in with a brush and start to put that up by the brow bone. So, how is everyone? How was everyone's holidays? We had Christmas and New Year's. Did anyone make any resolutions for the new year? What? Let me know the 411. Tell Mama Gel. That's what my friends call me. Well, they actually call me Grandma Jelly, but we won't get into that. Y'all can call me Mama Gel. So I've done that. I've just started to highlight the brow a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with this white, this matte white, Divinity with a smaller brush. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight the brow even more. This is such an amazing brow highlight. I've been using it so much since getting this palette. Can you hear that helicopter? Literally, I swear to God, the LAPD flies helicopters all over LA for no fucking reason. Like, I will be thinking that there's a street chase or something going wrong, but nope, it's just the LAPD flying their helicopters because they can. That and left-hand turns are probably my two least favorite things about LA. Unprotected left-hand turns, excuse me, left-hand turns, whatever, but they're always unprotected in LA, and that is just crazy because people are so rude when they're driving, and it's just ridiculous. Okay, so I'm gonna blend that out a little bit because that's a harsh-ass line. There we go. Great. And I'm gonna go in with another palette that I actually got gifted for Christmas. This is the Morphe 35M palette. Okay, this thing is by absolutely gorgeous. There's so many colors. There's so many colors. But the one I'm going to go in with, wow, I almost dropped that. I'm being a klutz today. Oh my gosh, this is upside down. They finally made names for all of them because in my 35O, nothing has names. So, we're gonna go in with Candy Crush, which is this red down here. And I'm gonna put that in my crease. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let's see, I'm gonna use my Too Faced palette mirror again. Okay, so this is only my third time playing with the colors in the 35M palette, Every time I've done it, I've absolutely loved it. I've been trying to do a different color every time I do it. This is my first time using the red. Holy fuck. That looks so good. Oh, damn. Morphe. God damn. Honestly, Morphe's never disappointed me. Not that I've tried like all of their products, but I just feel like every time I do, it's always really good quality, like not expensive. Thanks, Morphe. We love Morphe. And they just came out with a bunch of foundations and concealers, and I heard that they're also really good. Honestly, I should probably just go to the Morphe flagship store that's like not super far from where I live. I don't know why I don't do that. So I'm gonna bring this up above my crease. I'm gonna actually smoke it up a little bit. We're gonna get a nice smoky pink eye. Not that kind of pink eye. You don't want that kind of pink eye, but like a makeup pink eye. We stand a makeup pink eye. Just not the nasty pink eye. Don't do that. Don't go farting on anyone's pillows. So yeah, I'm gonna bring that up above the crease. I feel like I'm just now realizing that my eyes are kind of hooded. Like, and maybe it depends on like how tired I am or something, but I feel like sometimes my nose is itchy. I feel like sometimes I have more eyelid space on some days, and other days I don't really have that much eyelid space. Okay, so we've smoked it up a little bit, and now my darlings, I am going to go in with a darker red. Oh my god, I can't pick this up. There we go. I'm gonna go in with a darker red. I'm gonna go in with this one. I think this one was called Sweet Beets. So we're gonna take Sweet Beets and we're gonna put that in the outer corner. Ooh, yes, girl. Yes, honey. She is red-y. It's okay. I still love myself though. Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself though.
You know what? I love myself. Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself.
So this is looking good. Yes. I'm excited. I'm into it. Great. All right. So now I'm going to take a concealer. I just got a new concealer. I'll be right back. Let me find it. Aha! Eureka! I just got the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I'm super excited to try it and use it. So I'm gonna cut my crease with this. I've heard... I dropped my brush. I'm a mess, but it's fine. So I've heard that this concealer is amazing. I used it on my skin for the first time when I did my face before this video because I literally bought it today. But I've also heard it's really good for cutting creases, so I'm stoked to try it. And y'all know I love Tarte, so I don't know why I haven't tried it sooner. I think it's because I just recently found out that it's an Ulta exclusive and it's not sold in Sephora, and I'd always wondered why it was never in Sephora because I go to Sephora the most. I don't really go to Ulta that much. So honestly, that's probably why. So yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna create a blank space. Yes, honey, that looks so good. Well, as good as a plain cut crease can look, but created a blank space. I'm excited. We're gonna go in with totally Fetch back in the Too Faced palette. It's like totally Fetch. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this close to where I put the red, and it's gonna take up the majority of my eye because I'm gonna go for like an ombre look. And now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with Cotton Candy right there and bring that towards the inner part of the eye. Cute. So now I'm gonna go back in with oh, my nose is really itchy. I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe and the Sweet Beets, which is that darker red, and I'm gonna put a little bit more on the out corner just to reblend it into the Totally Fetch bright pink color and just give it some more depth. Let's see. Ooh, yes. Honestly, this eye look is totally Fetch, and it's not even done yet, but I'm super excited to see the finished result. This is truly me just being like, let's see what looks good. So there's always a chance that the looks could come out looking really bad, but I have faith in myself that that'll never happen. So hopefully it does. Doesn't ever happen. I don't want to post something that looks bad. Okay, well, I honestly think that that part's done. Yes, look at that. Look at her. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. So I'm gonna just bring this on the lower lash line to this dark red color. Wow, that light really washes me out at that angle. Let's not do that, honey. Does anyone else find themselves making the weirdest faces while they're putting on makeup? Like, I make the dumbest face whenever I do stuff on my lower lash line, whether it's mascara or eyeshadow. I make the stupidest face. Like, it looks so dumb. See? What is that? Look like the Scream. Painting or murderer. Choose your fighter. Okay, so now that I've added that at the bottom, I'm gonna go in again. Wow, my nose just will not stop itching. I'm not picking it, I swear. I'm gonna go back in with Cotton Candy and fill that in. Oh, I got it in my eye. Everything's fine, I promise. Okay, and then I'm going to take my finger and I'm gonna go back into, let's see. I'm gonna go back into the Morphe palette, actually. And this top left corner color is like the most beautiful champagne-y color. It's called Light of the Party, aka Angelica Rowell. Just kidding, it's just called Light of the Party. I don't get invited to parties, I don't know what that is. And I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner. Finger usually works best for me, but you might need to use a brush, maybe. No. She looks good. Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna throw on some liner and lashes off of camera, and I'm gonna finish the other eye off of camera too, and I'll be right back. So I'm back, and here is the final look. I added some eyeliner and some lashes and lipstick, and I am in love. Oh my goodness. If I had a man or a woman or a they, I don't discriminate, but man. So this is my Valentine's Day look. I ended up putting on some Tarte Glamazon eyelashes, and they are magnificent. They're huge. I was kind of stunned by them when I put them on because this is my first time using this big of a lash, but honestly they're so pretty and I really enjoy them. I might trim them down a little bit when I wear them again, but I'm really happy with the way that this look turned out. I am wearing Barracuda by ColourPop on the lip, which is one of their suede liquid lips, and I just, goddamn, like honestly, I'm speechless. This is just a stunning look. Here's a close-up of the eye, and I'm shook. I'm in love, you guys. So yeah, that is my Valentine's Day look for you all. I hope that you really enjoyed it. If you did, please leak. What? Can I learn how to talk, please? So like I was saying, if you liked it, please leave a like or a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna start doing some more makeup looks through this year in 2019. And yeah, so I hope that you guys have a absolutely wonderful day or night, wherever in the world you are. Again, sorry Manu MUA. I just watch him so much, and like, it's so true. I do really hope that you all have a wonderful day or night at whatever time it is where you are. And thank you so much for watching and hanging in there with me while I'm kind of learning how to navigate doing makeup tutorials. So I hope that you guys are wonderful. So awkward, help me. Goodbye. Mwah. Thank you for watching.